Are you interested in boosting your SMS marketing campaigns? Meet Easy Text Marketing, a platform for SMS text marketing that is simple to use and is meant for people who are looking for a straightforward method to communicate with the rest of the world. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. This platform enables you to engage with customers, clients, and prospects through voice broadcasts, email, text messages, SMS, and more, giving you the flexibility to choose the most effective method for your company. Connecting your gateways, such as Telnex or Twilio, you can gain the ability to send and receive unlimited messages in both directions. In addition, you will receive a plethora of capabilities, including SMS chat, MMS, email, voice broadcasts, inbound call forwarding, team accounts, polls, contests, QR codes, and web opt-in forms. You can connect to your SMPP gateway if you are very knowledgeable about technology, or you can connect to one of the famous gateways such as Twilio, Telnex, Bandwidth, SignalWire, or ITIL. In addition, to take your communication to the next level, you may combine your preferred email software platforms such as MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Auber, or Sendinblue and construct the lists that you use with them. Easy Text Marketing will give you access to all the tools you require, such as an infinite number of keywords and contact lists, and built-in CTIA compliance, allowing you to remain current with worldwide SMS carrier rules. You will feel secure knowing that you will comply with all requirements, from the many appropriate disclaimers to the administration of opt-in and opt-out subscribers. If you're interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Boost your SMS marketing campaigns with Easy Text Marketing. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.